What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the sharpness on a photo simple from the iPhone Photos app. This is really easy to do and simple from the app. You don't need any third-party apps or anything. Just go ahead, enter the Photos app, select the photo that you want to adjust the sharpness on, take it to this menu here, and then select Edit in the top right-hand corner. Once you select Edit, it will take you to this screen here, and there's a bunch of different photo settings that you could edit from. If you want to get to sharpness though, you are going to have to scroll all the way towards the end there. The little triangle icon will take you towards the sharpness setting. Click on the sharpness setting itself, and then it'll bring up a slider below it where you can adjust the sharpness of an image. Now, because this is just a still image of a postcard, it's really hard to tell with the sharpness being adjusted here. But if it was a live image of, say, a person or any sort of background in real life, you will see the sharpness adjusting in real time. Based on this slider, all you do is select Done in the upper right-hand corner, and it will save your changes, and you have an extra sharp photo saved inside your camera roll. If you did have any questions on anything I just showed you, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this helpful today though, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.